just one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah.
All right, hey guys, so I am working on our save the dates right now, so I thought I would bring you along for the journey. So I want to show you everything that we're doing to make our save the dates. Yeah, and I'll show you everything we bought for them and all that good fun stuff. So here we go. Okay, so everything that we got so far for our save the dates to just kind of make a really adjectives experience. So I got these beautiful quartz metallic envelopes. So I'm not sure you can see the metallic-y, oh, kind of. Right there, you see it, the light, how the light hits that. Anyways, they're quartz colored. I will link all the links down below in the description bar on like where you can buy stuff. But I bought them in a huge quantity thinking that we could also use them for our thank you notes and some other like little things that are going on. Anyways, but these are our envelopes that we're using. I really wanted an elegant feel for these, and so our save the dates are going to be rather light in color, whereas our wedding invites are going to be like in a darker tone, which will really match like the two aspects of our wedding. Like the ceremony will be a lot lighter in colors, whereas our reception will be very like dark, sultry, candlelight vibes. So with that, you know, we wanted to do the lighter colors of everything, and like our wedding invites will most likely be black. But I bought these save the date wax seals. So they were pre-made, which is really nice. They have like a sticker on the back. These are the stickiest things I have ever experienced in my life. Like, wow. Anyways, but I will put the company that I got them from down below. So we got multiple packs of these. Thank you. They came in packs of like 25. So once we're done with everything and getting everything like in the envelope, we can just stick it, good to go. I'm gonna blur out all of this information coming up because these were like oopsie save the dates. They have real addresses on here. But here is like an example of how we are addressing them. Everything is in this cursive font. I'll link the font that we're using down below. Have it to put in our Cricut Maker so that it can write out everything via pen, which is really nice. So it gives it this calligraphy effect, but I didn't have to write it, which is great. It is a little time consuming. So like I've just had like the Cricut machine going, writing all of these notes like while I've been working and like taking calls from our 9 to 5. So that's been nice. And on the back, Damon and I are doing our, return address, and then you can see a sample a sample seal here. So today I just went and got our actual save the dates from our printer. They look so good. So cool, yeah, nothing sensitive on here. Anyway, so we have on one side a beautiful picture of the two of us when we went to France. Went to Paris right after we got engaged and ended up taking some of our engagement photos there. So I have that on one side. And then on the other side is like really branded to the wedding, save the date, Damon and I are getting married, our wedding date, and invitation to follow. So super cute. So when this is inside the invitation or the envelope, it'll just be like that. One thing though about these envelopes, they are really, what's the word? You can see through them. Let me just, I'm tired. So you can kind of tell there. The lighting is really weird from my island lights, but you can you can see through that. I don't like that. So my mom and I actually just went to Michael's to go pick up just some cardstock paper, and we're getting ready to cut out envelope liners. So you'll have, let me put this back in here for the full effect. So if you can imagine this color with a liner on the inside. When you open up the envelope, there's our beautiful faces. But this will be on the top here. And that will just really help so like when the envelope is closed, you won't really see the shadows. You can kind of see like Damon's head right here of like that because the liner will be right there. And same thing with the front, so that'll be nice. What I'm getting ready to do is cut out these liners with the Cricut machine. And I still need to like put our return address on the back of all of our save the dates. Oh, the one other thing that I did not think about when it came to just like creating this whole save the date experience was stamps. Okay, so call me like a young millennial, whatever you want to. I just literally did not think about stamps. And like here I am now with this like beautiful envelope and experience. And the one thing that I didn't want on it was just some off-branded color stamp right on the front. So I probably just should have went to the post office to go buy something or looked a little further into it online as far as like where I could order some. Hi, buddy. Hey. He's so over me. Anyways, or I could have looked online and just kind of see where I could order some from, but that was something that completely went over my head and that I wanted them to look good. So tip for you guys, don't forget the stamps. Yeah, so I mean, more than likely I'm gonna end up using these because I spent money on them and you can't tell I'm really hurt by it. But whatever, it's gonna be what it is. I'll get some pictures of it, you know, without the stamps, but I'll leave some good recommendations for some other places to get stamps from down in the description bar. So without further ado, I'm gonna get this all together and yeah. Okay, so I just printed it to be the wrong size, but like the curve is right and everything, so I just downsized it. But here will be like the little vibe, and I didn't tape it up. Hi, pumpkin. But, so like this, we'll have the wax seal, everything's written. Open it up. Ooh, what? Beautiful. And then, you know, slide our lovely faces out, and there you go. Save the date. So I have a lot of cutting to do. I need to make sure this new size works. And then I'll cut them all on fast mode and we'll get to stuffing. Okay, that was perfect. So I'm gonna put the file that I use. I'm probably gonna put this all in a blog post so it's just like one easy click for like download this, get that. And I'll put the size dimensions, but I put it down to like, instead of 7 across, why pumpkin? Because it was too big. I did 6.7 inches across, and then it, you know, proportionally, and it all worked out. So now if I do the card in it, it's just super cute. And I love it. So now you just can't see, you know, that it said save the date. And the wax seals go perfectly.